Hello and welcome to Phoenix Vocal Studio. My name is Orchi, aka Rocky, and today I'm going to explain to you how to sing low notes. Alright, let's do it. So, low notes are so lonely because everybody wants to sing high, and they forget about the low notes. But it's very, very nice when someone has a nice and smooth, deep voice. So, we cannot forget the low notes, we cannot forget the middle range, we cannot forget the low range. How to sing low notes? The trick of low note is basically that you cannot lose your placement. You probably heard this expression before, to sing above the pencil or using your mask. These are different expressions for not losing your placement. You always need to sing from this line and above, and nothing comes from the throat, because you need to raise your placement up here. But not only when you sing high or when you're in the middle, because that's a big mistake when people do. They forget that even though you're going into a lower register, you have to stay above your mustache line. That's lesson number one. So when you go lower, you need to stay here. The way I teach it, when you hit the low notes, you have to think you're staying here. It's like a visualization. It's like imagining the sound, the note, that they are staying here. Like you're staying here. Like instead of going like you can hear that I drop my placement straight away. But if you go like you can hear that I'm still up here. I haven't dropped my placement like this, because in this case I'm going back to my throat. So you have to stay above your mustache line. That's the trick, how to sing, how to train your low notes. Obviously, there are exercises that are strengthening your lower larynx muscles, strengthening your chest, the sound, creating a darker, richer sound, but I'm going to talk about the sound in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to learn how to sing the way you desire, then please click on the link below and watch my free masterclass. Or if you're interested in taking lessons, then go to my website to book straight away. So either way, see you soon. Bye bye. Thank you.